Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the like button as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So as always, let's jump right into this. In my last video, I talked about using value area high and lows, point of controls, right? With using the Fibonacci retracements. This time we're to look for support or resistance levels. This time we're going to use the Fibonacci extensions to do essentially the same thing. So right now, let's kind of hone in here, right? So we have a high and a low. Even this stayed right here, right? We have, actually, let's use all of this. High to the low, right? I'm going to grab my Fibonacci extension tool. I'm going to go to the lowest part. And I'm going to go to the highest part of all this price action right here. And then what I'm going to do is, actually, let's bring it down this way. Hold on. Let's start back here to here and then all the way back because I want this stuff to be included. So again, the whole purpose of this is to try and find where the most things have happened, right? Where we can find confluence. So right here we have the 127, right? As you can see, we came up to it, pulled back, right? Here's our 1618, but the thing is there's really nothing here, maybe a low volume node. Here, the only thing that was here was essentially nothing, because I'm not going to say that, remember, we just saw these 2 days right here, right, when we drew it, so we didn't see any of that. So there's really nothing at the 127 except for maybe this high volume node. But again, this is always changing every day. But if we look up here at the 1618, we actually have on the bigger picture, right, value area low, point of control, and value area high, which is also a low volume node that we could see, and it's also the value area high of this. So if price did come up to this level, I would probably be looking for a potential short. Also, what's happening is we also have a gap right here that hasn't been filled, right? So if we actually look right here, we close there, we open the next day here. So at this level, essentially, we have three things. We have a gap, we have a low volume node, actually four things, a low volume node, we have the 1618% fib retracement, and we also have the value area high. So these four things would give me a good deal of confidence to be able to look for a short, and this is what I would expect price to do. Rally up into this and then pull back. Now maybe we overshoot or we come up here and then pull back, but I expect there would be some type of pullback here where can I maybe pick up a point or 2 or 3 points? I believe so, with a high degree of confidence, okay? And then I would probably look at this level as, hey, maybe it shoots up a little farther, comes up to this high volume node. I would probably put my stop on the other side of this swing high right here. So maybe I would look for a short around 2900, and I would probably put a stop at about 2910, just use price action as my stop. Now, on the 200%, I kind of like it because it also matches up with this level, which was a swing high, value area low, a low volume node, right, with another low volume. So somewhere inside here, maybe we chop around and start to fill out the profile up here if we got up there. So those are two potential trade ideas to look at that may work, that will be able to help you to identify that. So I hope that helps. And again, these aren't trade recommendations. It's all just ways to look at the market to identify. And this video will probably be uploaded about 2 days afterwards, so we'll see what happens. Kind of go back, see what price did at these levels. But hopefully using the fib extensions with value area high and low, with high volume, low volume nodes, gaps, all those things give you multiple confluence levels where it gives you a high probability of a trade potentially working out. So as always, thank you for always watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And again, go back and I have a couple other videos that I just did over the last couple of days, which is on how to do the same thing with Fibonacci retracements. And the other is describing exactly what the value area high and low are in point of control, so you can really understand them. And hopefully all this information will help you to build a small little trade plan within your own trading. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.